She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again. She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again. She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again. She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah. I don't wanna get up out of bed this evening. The rain is falling, I can hear it through the ceiling. I don't wanna talk about how I'm feeling. It's too hard, I'm too tired, too uninspired, too wired. I'm too old to care and too young to die and too hurt to heal and too sad to cry. Sunrise paints the window pane. You're standing quiet in the frame. Your coffee's black, held in your hand. A rumpled shirt, I understand. That weary look behind your eyes reflects my own forgotten skies. A silent language passing through in shades both old and strangely new. And knowing you, I see myself like an unopened book upon the shelf, holding stories I might know, seeds just waiting for a place to grow. It's in these details, plain and real. There's resonance I deeply feel. A flicker of my soul takes hold. In you I see myself unfold. Maybe it's the way you wait, a little guarded, sealed by fate. The bitter brew, no room for sweet, the hurried rhythm of you.
Hey there my happy people, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as you can see, I'm back to Pune for my college and now I'm in my final year of graduation. It literally feels so unbelievable now that I'm saying it out loud, but who can help it? Time just flies by. But wait, if you're new to this channel, let me introduce you to myself. My name is Khushi Arora. I'm 19 years old and I am pursuing BBA from Symbiosis Pune, and alongside that, I'm also a CS student. So if you're also into productive study vlogs and related content, or if you're also pursuing CS or another professional degree, or you just want somebody new to follow on YouTube, you might as well subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram, and you might even enjoy your journey over here. But yeah, nevertheless, yes, coming back to what I was saying, now it's gonna get a little tough for me to manage my time with my full-time college and also preparing for CS. But I think a lot of you would relate to me over here who are also pursuing a professional degree alongside their full-time college, or preparing for an entrance exam or something that you want to pursue after college ahead in your career. And so yeah, it does get a little difficult to manage time with everything else going around at the same time, but I know we all are going to make our way out through this together. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end, and if you did like it, do show some love, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video very soon. So yeah, last wala part cut gaya tha because my phone decided to annoy me with this message. But yeah, I am not here to blabber anymore. I was just saying, take care of yourself. I will see you in the next video. So until then, goodbye.